Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to make your friends list private on Facebook. Okay, so if you want to make your friend list private on Facebook, what you have to do, first open the Facebook app. Okay, now you have to make sure that you are logged in the account where you want to make your friend list private. Okay, then what you have to do, here you will see your profile pic, just click on it and then scroll down. Okay, now here you will see setting and privacy option. Click on the setting and privacy option, then click on settings. Okay, now you have to scroll down and here you will see audience and visibility. Okay, under audience and visibility, here you will see third option is how people find and contact you. Click on it. Then here you will see who can see your friend list. Click on it and then you can click on only me and click on save. So like this you can make your friend list private. Okay, you can also choose a specific friend, okay, acquaintances. So like this you can make your friend list private. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.